So, good morning, sir. This is my electrical machine. File na term electrical machine. Electrical transformer. Intended learning outcomes. Number one, understand the basic definition and operation single-phase and three-phase motor, generators, and transformer. Number two, recognize the importance of this electrical machine and various application. Number three, identify the difference differentiate between the various types of single-phase and three-phase motor, generators, and transformer. Number 4. Explain the specific characteristic and application of each type. After the completion of this unit, student reader will be able to understand number 1. Concept work and principle, characteristic and application of single-phase transformer. Construction worker. Number 2. Construction worker principle, characteristic and application of three-phase transformer. Transformer breaking. Transformer. A transformer is an electrical device that transfers electrical energy between two or more circuits through electronic induction. It is used to be increased step up or decrease step down voltage levels in power system, en enabling efficient transmission and distribution of electrical power. Construction of transformer. So this is the construction transformer. There has a high voltage bushings, the oil conservator, the main tank, and the voltage bushings, and radiator active part. There's a wire coil bolt, wire coil, steel flat bar. Construction of transformer. The transformer operates on the principle of Faraday law of electronic induction, which states that change is a magnetic flux through a circuit induces an electromotive force (EMF) in the circuit. The key component or transformer include primary windings. So, unang windings, the windings connected to input voltage source. Secondary windings, the windings connect to output load. Core, laminated iron or ferrite to reduce eddy current losses provided a path of magnetic flux. Construction of transformer. So this is the construction transformer. Core. This is the core. E. Primary supply. This is the primary supply. This is the secondary load. Basic principle. So this is the basic principle that I saw in PPT of SER. Types of transformer. The step up transformer, step down transformer, insulation transformer, auto transformer, three-phase transformer, instrument transformer. So this is the types of the transformer. Have step down and step up. Step-out transformer. Function increase the voltage from primary windings and secondary windings. So the function is increasing the voltage daw para sa sa unang windings at sa pangalawang windings. Application. Used in power generation plants to increase the voltage of efficiency transmission over long distance. So this used to power the plants, increase the voltage para itaas yung mga voltahe sa malaking planta. Advantage. Reduce transition losses, increasing voltage. With increases current, presently losses. Disadvantage. Require to high insulation that safety measured due to high operating voltage. Require a insulation. So, yun lang ang step-up transformer. So, ito yung mga step-up transformer. So, this is primary coil, step-up transformer, and secondary coil. So, this ginagamit ito sa mga planta. Step-down transformer. Function decreases a voltage from the primary windings to a secondary windings. Application. Used to distribution network to lower a voltage to save use in homes and businesses. Used to distribution network to lower voltage of safe use in homes and businesses. Advantage. Provided safe and stable voltage delivered to household and commercial application. So, safe pala ito sa mga mga houses. Disadvantage. Lower efficiency at very low load condition. Ito pala. Step down transformer. Ito pala yung step down transformer. Ito yung makikita mo sa mga taas ng mga poste. Yung may mga parang drum sa itaas ng poste. Primary coil, secondary coil, step down transformer. Insulation transformer. Function. Provided electrical insulation between a primary and secondary windings without changing the voltage level significantly. Application. Used to safety as sensitive equipments and insulated different section of our power system. Used from safety sensitive equipment that so insulated different section of a power system. Advantage. Enhance safety by insulating equipment from high voltage spike and around issues. Disadvantage. Larger and more expensive than auto transformer from the same power rating. So, ito yung insulator transformer. Auto transformer. Functions share common windings between primary and secondary sides, offering variable voltage output. Application. Used to voltage regulation of the provide small voltage change in power system. Advantage. More compact, efficiency, and cost effective compare a standard transformer from the same power rating. Disadvantage. Do not provide electrical insulation between primary and secondary circuit. So, hindi provide ang mga between sa mga primary at secondary. Auto transformer. So, what is auto transformer? Ito ay ang auto transformer. Three-phase transformer. Function design that handle three-phase power either or combining three single-phase transformer or losing single-phase unit. Application. Used in power generation, transmission, and distribution system to handle three-phase power. Advantage. More efficiency and cost effective of three-phase power system. Disadvantage. More complex constructions and higher essential cost compared to single-phase transformer. Mas mahal ito sa single phase. Mas mahal ito sa single phase. So, yung single phase barato. So, this is the phase of three-phase transformer. Ito yung transformer niya, three-phase transformer, at ito yung diagram. 6. Instrument transformer. Function. Used to measure voltage. So, nagsukat to sa nagme-measure siya sa voltage and current, high voltage sa mga taas na current voltahe system including the current transformer CTS and potential or voltage transformer PTS. Application used to metering the protection of system and power network. Advantage. Provided safe and accurate measurement to high voltage and current. So, disadvantage. Limited power handling capacity. So, instrument transformer. Instrument transformer. Ito pala yung instrument transformer. Ito yung kanyang actual na picture at mga diagram. So, yung lang po ang aking report.